Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Perception Pescador Pilot 12. The Pescador Pilot 12 from Perception Kayaks is an affordable sit-on-top kayak packed to the gills with fishing features and complete with the included Pilot Drive pedal drive system. The Pilot Drive is performance engineered to achieve the perfect balance of simplicity and ingenuity and is ergonomically optimized for all-day, hands-free fishing. The Pilot 12 is also outfitted with a captain's chair, on-the-fly adjustable gear tracks and tension knobs, and 4 molded-in rod holders. The Pescador Pilot's superior stability and performance make it the ultimate boat for paddlers of all abilities. Superior stability even allows anglers to cast from a standing position. A spacious, sit-on-top design with generous storage and accessory mounts makes the kayak easy to customize. Leak-proof one-piece construction with built-in buoyancy for added safety. Our second best pedal kayak for fishing is Brooklyn BKC PK13 Pedal Drive Fishing Kayak. The slender pedal kayak developed by the Brooklyn Kayak Company is the perfect equipment to use when cruising at high speed. The smooth pedals integrated into the gear make you propel at light speed, while the adjustable foot straps keep your feet in place. The hand-operated rudder to give you full control of the craft's direction without you having to put too much effort. At 550 pounds weight capacity, this boat is able to hold enough essentials to last you until the end of your kayaking trip. The rear cargo area is equipped with bungee cords that can keep your duffel bag, cooler, and other items safe. This kayak comes equipped with an ergonomic aluminum frame seat, adjustable aluminum paddle, 2 water-resistant hatches, 3 built-in rod holders, 1 paddle park, and 1 bungee cargo tie-down. We have all the accessories you need for your next excursion. The aluminum-built chair has a padded backrest, which helps to protect your back muscles from becoming sore. You can adjust your chair according to your preference and stay back and relax while pedaling or fishing. Third pick in our list is Old Town Sportsman Big Water PDL 132. With Old Town, you stay there without paddling on the Sportsman Big Water PDL 132 pedal kayak from Old Town. With instant forward and reverse propulsion, maneuverability and stability, you'll enjoy precise boat control while your hands remain free to fish. Ideal for open water anglers and tournament fishing pros, the Old Town Sportsman Big Water PDL 132 pedal kayak's easy-to-use forward-reverse pedal drive provides easy, hands-free navigation and fishing. Pedal drive is removable for easy transport. All Old Town Sportsman fishing kayaks are packed with handy convenience features, including customizable accessory tracks, cushioned floor pads for both better comfort and grip, a custom tackle box, and plenty of rod holders. The kayak's universal transducer mounting system makes it easy to mount your favorite fish finder, and a side-mounted hull paddle clip keeps your backup paddle secure and out of the way while you fish. Paddles sold separately. Offering a superior seat design with great lumbar support, the premium mesh seat helps you stay cool and comfortable all day long on the water and easily adjust to your leg length for optimal comfort. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Perception Crank 10. This Perception Crank 10 works great on a variety of water surfaces including lakes, coastal waters, and ponds. Featuring a breathable mesh seat that can be removed and a new generation pedal drive, this watercraft is hardly short of anything. This kayak can effortlessly pedal back and forth through calm waters without the need to remove the drive before going back. The deck of this kayak has plenty of storage room. The large back tank well can hold the kayak crate, a dry bag, or a cooler with no additional conditions. This means you can go cruising around all day, and have quick and easy access to all of your onboard essentials at any point. Efficient, easy-to-use pedal drive system, ability to go forward and reverse without removing the drive from the boat. The Crank is the first of a new generation of easy-to-use, fast and fun pedal drive kayaks from Perception Kayaks. It's perfect for lakes, ponds, and calm coastal waters. The crank incorporates a fresh design aesthetic with incredibly comfortable ergonomics for powerful yet easy pedaling while providing ample surfaces for rigging aftermarket accessories, including 2 solo mount recesses within easy reach. Featuring a new and improved pedal drive, this kayak pedals effortlessly, covers lots of water, and provides the ability to go forward and reverse without removing the drive from the boat. For details, let's watch more.
Please allow me to introduce you to the Crank 10.0, a recreationally focused pedal drive kayak. On the bow and the stern of the kayak, we have a one-piece rigid handle. Just behind your bow grab handle, you have bow storage area with bungee lashing. Inside of this same area, you also have a scupper. The scupper goes through the kayak, folded all the way through, and then on the hull of the kayak, there's a nice recess for your fish finder. The heart and soul of the Crank 10.0 is the pedal drive unit itself. The pedal drive is optimized to give you the best performance with the hull shape of this kayak. From a pedal position, you can easily move the pedal drive into a zero draft position. Simply remove the quick pin, push the pedal drive out of the way, and reconnect. The seat of the Crank 10.0 is adjustable as well. This allows you to dial in the fit for pedaling the kayak depending on your leg length. To adjust the seat, you simply remove the thumb screw in the center, move the seat to the ledge that makes the most sense for you, then rethread the wing nut. Alongside the seat, you also have your one-handed rudder control. This allows you to move your rudder from side to side, control the direction of the kayak while still pedaling at the same time. Located just behind the seat, you'll find a paddle part, convenient place to store your paddle when not in use. Behind the seat, we molded in 2 solo mount recesses. This allows you to install the Perception Solo Mount, which gives you the ability to include fishing rod holder or whatever accessory you may desire. Last but not least, on the Crank 10.0, we have the large stern tank well. This allows you to store additional accessories or additional gear within arm's reach. Inside the tank well, you will also find our deck plate. This gives you quick access for storage. Crank 10.0, new for Perception Kayaks, launches fall of 2019.
Number 5 in our top 5 best pedal fishing kayak list is Wilderness Systems Radar 135. The Radar 135 is Wilderness Systems' first tri-powered kayak with paddle, power and pedal capabilities. For ultimate hands-free fishing, the Radar features S.M.A.R.D. hull technology that combines stability, maneuverability, acceleration, responsiveness and tracking throughout the entire design for superior performance in multiple water environments. It's compatible with Wilderness Systems Helix PD pedal drive and MD motor drive, and is available in 2 sizes, 11 feet 5 inch and 13 feet 5 inch. Ultra comfortable and adjustable Air Pro Max seat, 3 adjustable positions and seat can travel the majority of the length of the boat. FlexPod OS is a fully removable pod for your fish finder, battery, cables, and transducer, or it can accommodate the pedal drive or motor drive. Essential angling features such as slide tracks, rails for accessories, front paddle park, multiple hatches, and generous tankwell storage. Also features large, padded footrests that can be adjusted to accommodate paddlers of different sizes. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.